Let's understand what are aircraft flight control surfaces. These are critical components that allow a pilot to control an aircraft's orientation balance and stability in the air. They influence the aircraft's attitude and movement around its three primary axes: pitch, roll, and yaw. These control surfaces are classified as primary and secondary control surfaces. This includes elevators, rudder, ailerons, flaps, slats, trim tabs, and spoilers. Ailerons control the roll of the aircraft. Elevators control the pitch, which is the angle of the aircraft's nose relative to the horizon. The rudder controls yaw, which is the left to right movement of the aircraft's nose. Flaps are used to increase lift and drag during takeoff and landing. Slats extend outward to allow for smoother airflow over the wing at high angles of attack. Trim tabs are used to fine-tune the position of the primary control surfaces. Spoilers are used to reduce lift and increase drag. They help in descent deceleration and in some cases assist with roll control in combination with ailerons. These control surfaces working in combination allow a pilot to maneuver the aircraft safely and efficiently in flight. Thanks for watching.